our research suggests the company will not live up to expectations and its stock price is overvalued, we might short a stock. Our practice is to short a stock for the long term after extensive research.
We will not use one of those 500 million shares in calendar year 2021.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Hey guys, if you follow me on Twitter or are alert to what is happening with AMC, you should know what's up. We received tremendous news yesterday directly from the CEO of AMC. He announced that if AMC was to be approved to sell 500 million shares on the market, he would not exercise until 2022. This development gives goodwill from the management at AMC. We have seen record numbers in a COVID year from the movie Kong vs. Godzilla, which also demonstrate that people want to go to theaters, so all those media articles undermining AMC as a thing of the past have been proven wrong. GameStop also had some interesting developments. The CEO forfeited over 580,000 shares due to poor performance. This news come out as GameStop is looking to replace its current CEO, as it seeks to revamp its business model. What you need to know about this is that this is extremely good for both apes and GameStop. You see, those shares would not have been available to him regardless probably until he had left the company. Since they won't be sold now, GME stock won't experience a dilution from this hypothetical sell-off. But more importantly, it would prevent shorting of these shares, further helping our cause. Both stocks had yet again positive developments, which should serve to calm a lot of the anxiety that was brewing last week in regards to the continuous pushdown on the price of the stocks. We know that the prices are purely manipulated, but still every once in a while, it's good to hear that our efforts and long-standing positions are well placed. Our faith has not been misplaced, and we get validation with each development. Let's take a look at how both GME and AMC performed today. Stocks were up in the pre-market today. Upon market open, GME had a vertical dip to 152. It consolidated around that area before breaking the 156 resistance and moving back up to 165. It was maintaining support up there until out of nowhere it experienced another vertical dip. This is something we talk almost daily in this channel. Remember guys, these attacks right around market close are done in order to make in the money option expire worthless. Now, AMC traded a little bit different. It experienced a surge in bullish volume open market open. It then kept dipping for the most part through the middle of the day up until 1 p.m. There, it climbed up for the rest of the day until 40 minutes before the day ended, where it experienced the same attack by a whale shorter. That is a term used to describe an entity with such a vast amount of money they can single-handedly move the price. With that said, let's talk about possible price action movements tomorrow. GameStop ended the day on a declining triangle. It has support walls at 152, 150 and 144. It holds big resistance walls at 161, 165 and 172. Looking at the stock on the monthly chart, we see that it is trading between 152 and 163. If it can break the wall at 163, we will definitely move up towards Friday. However, if the stock continues to be shorted, expect next dip to be around 140 to 143. It is important to note that though the price action dipped throughout the day, GME had twice as many buys as it did sells from retailers. The price action is nothing more than manipulated shenanigans. With that in mind, do realize that this is a suggestive price action where we might head tomorrow, but hedge funds can totally flip the game since the data available to us suggests that the price movement is being controlled through naked shorting. Now, for AMC, we have support at 9.8, 9.6 and 9.4 with resistance walls at 9.94, 10 and 10.23. Looking at the monthly chart, we see that if the price dips start declining and testing 9.8, we might be reversing. However, the price action has been incredibly bullish enough for me to believe that pre-market tomorrow we should be trading around 9.9 if not above $10. Note that volume actually correlated with AMC today, as we saw a higher amount of buy orders and the price reflected that. Maybe hedge funds solely focused on GameStop today. With that said, I want to thank you for making it to the end of the video. Drop a like and subscribe for more daily content like this, and let me know in the comments, do you own more GME or AMC shares? Thank you again and see you next time.